Here I have WIKO Harry, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and serial number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, open keyboard on it, and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see the IMEI information. And the second method for this operation, you can just go to the settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the About Phone section, then go to the legal information, to status, and here you have IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and you can also find here a serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.